Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding your WhatsApp online status on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up WhatsApp and then tap Settings in the bottom right corner. In Settings, click Privacy. In the privacy settings, tap on Last Seen and Online. Change both settings to Nobody, and no one will be able to see your last seen or when you are online. Note that when you do this, you will no longer be able to see other people's online and last seen statuses. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.